Hello you guys, Tim here with you. What I've got going on today is an alternator on a 2018 Nissan Rogue Sport. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, here it is. First thing you got to do, you got to take tire off. Make sure you got a jack stand under it. Just lay your tire over the side. You got to take this little plastic cover off. It goes right here. And you can see right there is the tension. It's a 13 millimeter. Take the belt off. I've already done all that. Next, up here, of course, first you take the battery cable loose. I've got the old one off already. I'm going back with the new one. But I wanted to show you a tip. These bolts right here, there's one and there's one. I haven't tightened them up yet. They're hard to get to with a ratchet. If you notice, that ratchet's got very short swing on it. That one down there especially really hard to get to. So I've got a tool here. Let me show you. This is what it is. It's a offset extension wrench from Pro Zero. And that thing, it's got a chain inside there. And you can use an impact on it. I didn't, but you can. Anyway, if you look, it goes down there. And it absolutely is a life changer. Put it on there. Now I can come up here with my little ratchet right here, my Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet, and I can screw it in and tighten it up and torque it down from up here. This is an amazing little tool. I'll give you an example here of how it works. Let me put it on there. Let me put my camera right here. Put it on. I've got it turned around already. Let me hold it. Watch this. Check this out. Look at that. It is so cool. Watch this. I'm going to put it on this one. I'm even doing it. I'm doing this one-handed, guys. With one hand. Now I got to lift it up a little. There it goes. Look at that. Unbelievable. I'm telling you, it is a game changer. That little setup right there is a game changer. It makes it so much easier to get to those bolts. I was doing it with my ratchet, and it just, I didn't have enough throw, you know what I mean? I didn't have enough room to move my ratchet, especially on that bottom one. That bottom one is why, hey, I'm going to pull out my, this is the first time I've used it, you guys. I finally found a use for it, and it is absolutely a game changer for little jobs like this. So I would suggest to any of you to get one, because one of these days you're going to need it. One of these days you will need this tool. If this little tip helps you, do me a favor, subscribe to me, like it, and hey, you never know what I'm going to show you, but I hope this helps you out. Oh, also, I've got faith in you. You can do these things. These jobs are not that hard, so take it upon yourself and have faith in yourself, and you can do them. I'll talk to you guys later.